I appreciate you so much. Alright, so hey everybody, it is Smiley. I'm back today for another video. So this video we're doing a Stitch Fix haul. I did one previously, so this will be my third Stitch Fix haul, but my second one I didn't get to choose any of the items. I just kind of posted ideas, or I posted like ideas on my board. So like they have where you can put things on your board, like a style or inspiration board. That's what it's called, inspiration board. So I put some items, I put some outfit ideas and that kind of thing on my inspiration board. And so they just kind of went based off of that for my last Stitch Fix haul. This one, they have where, so like you pay a fee. It's like $20 or $25 for the stylist fee. And then after that, if you get a box and you get your fix, then you have a very quick turnaround period where, or a quick period after you do that fix where you can get a second fix and they won't charge you for the stylist fee. So what I decided to do, because I didn't get to pick the items from the last haul, I didn't get to look at any of them before they were sent. I was like, okay, well, you know what? I ran out of time to pick them, so I'm gonna book another one. And I'm like, it's convenient. They're not gonna charge another stylist fee, which I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'll see if I can do another fix like right now, and then hopefully I'll have that window again where I can actually go and I can look at the items and preview them before they come. Well, long story short, I went ahead, I did the third fix, that's what this is, and I looked on the website. I didn't see where the fix was ready yet, and then by the time like the items were going to be sent, by the time the items were being sent, I went back and I saw where they already sent it, and it's like I didn't have a chance at all to look at any of the items that are going to be previewed or any of the items really that are going to be shown in this video today. So we'll see how things turn out. I did tell them in the comment section on this particular fix, I told them that I wanted to get more skater skirts, whatever. So we'll see exactly what they gave us today. But yeah, so I was a little upset by that. The fact that I decided to book another fix and then I still somehow missed the window to select any of the items. So, I mean, I guess I need to check back, because I checked, I don't know. I thought I checked time enough or early enough to preview the items, but it was just like when I went to check, the items weren't available to preview, and then I guess it was too early to preview. It said that the previews weren't available at the time. And then by the time I went back and I saw the email notification, like I'd already missed the window. So it was on either side of the window, but I didn't get my timing perfect enough to actually preview the items. So basically I have no idea what we're gonna see in this haul. It's gonna be a surprise to you, just like it's a surprise to me. So we'll see how things go. The second one was a surprise for us as well. Found a couple of nice things in there. Some of the stuff I already had, but I liked it. So they did well. I would say that they did well picking out the items for the last haul, because a lot of it was stuff that I like, and a couple of things that were like repeat items for me. So they obviously have kind of an idea what my style is. So that's the good news. They have an idea of what my style is. So anyways, it'll be interesting to see what we got today. Okay. Alright, so it's got the same setup. They've got the bag here. Basically, send it back, whatever items you don't buy. Okay. I know they're gonna be so mad at me. I know my stylist last time was like, I'm sorry I didn't get to work with you and help you out to pick these items. I didn't get to collab with you. So maybe we can collab next time. Oh, I got the same stylist. I feel so bad. I feel so bad that wasn't available to actually look at the items. All right, so she says, hi Chaz, happy Stitch Fix day. I'm sorry you weren't able to review the fix preview. Be sure to be on the lookout in your email next time. That is the note from our stylist. I had the same stylist. I really like Kelly. I don't know Kelly, but I like you, Kelly. And I really appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. All right, so sounds like we got some boots in this haul. So that's exciting. Stitchfix. I like that sweater. That's my favorite one. Okay. So first thing we have is this purple sweater. It's a really soft material. It's really soft. All right, so this is a pullover. It's by Market and Spruce, and everything in here is probably gonna be a size small. So that is that right there. We're gonna of course try these things on to see how they fit. This is the first outfit. So this is the purple sweater, and then I put on the gray booties. And I just feel like purple and gray are like a color combination that goes together. So that's why I put these two items together in an outfit. And then we've got this top here. We'll see how we like that one. And this is a size small as well. Of course, again, I'll put the names of each of these items down below so you all can see them. And honestly, I can see this top with like, if you have riding boots, not actual riding boots, but like, you know, like the Ralph Lauren riding boots, that would be cute. So, and the only concern that I have about this top is in the back. So I'm gonna show you all like how the back looks. So when I tucked it in, it's like, it's all bunched up in the back. Y'all see it, so it's like all bunched up. So one thing I probably would do is like, if there's a way to like cinch it in the back, maybe you can make it seem like that's the design of the shirt. I don't know. But anyway, so that's personally how I would style this. I would tuck the shirt in and throw on some cute little boots, some skinny jeans as well, and then whoop. And then like in this case, I just decided to do this leopard print bag with it. So I feel like that's a cute look. It's not skirts. I did want to do like skirt looks, but we only got one skirt today. Anyway, that is this look. So the one thing that this outfit is missing though is a belt. I don't really have many belts, but if you have like a nice stylish kind of belt, then I feel like you can add that kind of feature here since you're tucking your shirt in. All right, so then this one, I like this. It has like that nice kind of, can't really see it that well, but it's almost like a nice little woven like pattern, which I really, really like. And then on the back, it's got these little arm pads or elbow pads on them. Same brown boots and skinny jeans, and then do like a neutral color bag. So I was thinking either this one or we could do our leopard print bag that we had previously. So some kind of neutral animal print with this if you just want to spice things up just a little bit. And we've got this little houndstooth like dress, so I like that. Or skirt, houndstooth skirt. This is a size 2, and this is a tribal skirt that she was talking about. So I think she said to pair, what are we pairing? Pair it with the wine color. Okay, so it must be this one. Let's see. Yep. So she's pairing these two items together. So we'll see how that looks. And the last item that we have are, I think these are boots, or booties. Okay. All right, that's definitely my style right here. I love boots like this. Should be a size 6 more than likely. Yep, this is a size 6. So we're gonna go and we're gonna try these items on. We're gonna see how they fit. All right, so this is the last and final look. And this is the one that was suggested for me to pair up like the entire little outfit. The wine colored sweater with a houndstooth skirt. And then of course, the gray suede boots. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to get a still picture of this to see how I feel about it. I don't know what I think about it. As you all know, I'm short and I guess you would say thick. Short and thick, or some people might, if I was a man, I guess I would be like short and stout. But anyway, so I'm short and I'm a little bit thick, so I don't know if this outfit necessarily is flattering for me. But we're gonna try on a couple of different things and see if we can find some nice fits for this. So I'll be right back. All right, so this is kind of my thoughts on kind of an outfit to put together. So only thing I did was change the shoes. So I just did some black heels instead of the boots. Next thing I want to try, I just have this vision in my mind that these shoes will dress up the outfit a lot more. Just an idea I have in my mind. It might not look as nice as I think it does, but we're gonna try it. This is the other idea that I had personally to kind of dress this up even more. Now I have some little silver shoes. It's got little rhinestones on the shoes, and then it's got a silver line in the back. But yeah, so this is my idea, just to kind of like dress this outfit up just a little bit more. So that is this right here. And then of course, you know, you can always kind of blouse this out if you want kind of like a looser feel. I'm gonna try on after this a kind of like a white button down. I have a white button down at my parents' house. I don't have one here. Closest thing that I have to that is the one that you all have seen before, the horses all over it that I got from Forever 21 like years ago. But that's honestly the closest thing I have here to kind of like a white button down shirt. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put that on just to kind of give you all an idea of how it looks with the white button down top. So don't be distracted. Don't think about the fact that the horses don't go at all with this houndstooth. Just think about it being a white button down. So anyway, I'll be right back. Just don't judge me, that's all. I know it looks tacky, but disregard the horses. The idea is that a white button down will go well with this. That is the premise. And I was rummaging through my closet and I actually found this really cute white sweater, which I think might go well with this. Hopefully it's not too over the top and it's like, hopefully it's not too over the top and it's not like the skirt and the sweater are fighting against each other. I may actually take the ponytail off for this. I forgot that I had this sweater, and as you all see, it's very like over the top with the arms, with the shoulder sleeves. And I bought this last year from Express. I think I did an Express haul. This is one of the sweaters that was in that. It's very cute. It's very like, but anyway, the sweater does match really nice with this skirt that I got from Stitchfix. And so I just paired it with black heels and then also my recent little red bag that I purchased. And so black, white, and red, I feel like are kind of like one of those combinations that always go together. So I decided to pair it like this.